Today we're attending Dior. They've given me this to unbox. I don't know what's inside, but anything Dior gives me, I really like anyway. I'm gonna try to make a guess. Let's make this fun. I hope it's a neutral color. Yun na lang. Let's do this. I'm going to start unboxing this. Don't they just look so pretty all the time? This is always the best part. I'm gonna try to do this as gracefully as I can. Okay. It's a bag. And it is... I'm trying not to look. I love it! What do you think? Isn't that nice? I love this. A beautiful, neutral saddle bag from Dior. Thank you, Dior! Now let's get ready for the show.